You're taking food out of
Renfro.
my people's mouth.
The dog.
Yeah.
Your mother said
Food,
you
the
need
money
to
you
come.
spend for dog food, you can feed the children in Africa.
Well, even if
They
I
can't
didn't
eat
buy
all
a
that
dog, I
solid
wasn't
food,
gonna
no
feed the
way.
children in
I mean, what
Africa, so I
gets
might as
there?
well buy a
You know, the
dog.
people take
Exactly.
their.
All the other ones
Yeah.
never make it.
I joined Find the
We're gonna play
Children.
some music.
Don't tell
And the
your grandmother
president
see
was
you
making
later.
$250,000 a year. Vice president, $150,000. So where was the money
No,
going?
you just said you.
I am.
Melody.
Don't film that.
Melody.
I can understand it.
You know the song got
Yeah, them
in.
legs.
I just said that because I thought you said you was
Who that,
leaving.
Roy Rogers?
I'm ready. I'm gonna
No,
hear
Like she
I
riding a
thought y'all
horse.
was leaving.
You know what I'm saying?
said
Don't she look like a
I
cowboy?
thought she is leaving us. She is leaving. I
Andy
told you
Oakley.
how to tell you. Yana was over that side with you.
And then I saw them. Well, he was still over there.
Yeah.
And so he said, no, they not leaving. They just went to watch something.
Why
And I said,
you let her color hair like a German
She
Shepherd?
bought that. It's okay. She said, whoa, Sim, what are you talking about, baby? German Shepherd. Yeah. He said you called it like a German Shepherd.
No, I didn't. I
It's
really
okay. You don't have to be
play that
friend.
back. If you find me saying that over
What
that
my
film,
niece? You gonna be the last my niece? We can't find her. Y'all had to find her. It took you a long time to get out of here. She been missing for a minute. For real.
you going to be like Uncle Mel.
that's the car right there. Riviera.